that I will call perceived compounds. We use the term perceived because it really takes a chemist to decide if it's a compound. So the basic idea here is we're going to allow the user to interactively use a deconvolution algorithm on scan data to determine if that target and qualifier is a pure compound in the sense that that's the signal that I want to use in my quantitation method. Look at the perceived compound feature. We're over here in the method editor, and I'd like to take a look at two compounds which share a close retention time, toluene, heavy deuterated, and toluene. And if you watch the sample information window, you'll see that they come out very close in terms of retention time. So I'm going to demonstrate the usefulness of the perceived compounds by first zeroing in on that particular area. And then I'm going to take a range which includes both of those compounds and watch the deconvolution work. So after I've chosen that range, I right-click and exercise perceived compounds. Perceived compounds will then go and check out the ions that it finds and look at how they elute and pick them out. So I'm going to give it a little more room by getting rid of the other windows. And what we see here is that it's found the toluene heavy. Here you can see the difference in terms of molecular weight. And also another compound which it's taken as two different spectra, but I as a chemist am looking at them and they look like they elute very closely together. So here is the spectrum in blue that matches, and there's the one which is in very light green which matches this compound which elutes here. So while I'm in the spectral area, let me show you that I can choose a particular ion and from this point add that compound or interactively add a qualifier to the method from the spectrum pane. So I think that gives you a demonstration of how you can take an area and exercise the deconvolution algorithm to help you figure out your quantitation method and explicitly check to see how pure the compound is in terms of applying that method using scan data to figure out your compounds. Thank you very much.